Hi everybody, I'm going to be doing a demonstration of my latest Arduino attempts. I'm working with the Arduino tutorials online and an Arduino Uno. It came with this wonderful experimental's guide for Arduino with the bundle along with all the other tools. So today is exercise 8. What we're going to be working on, what I worked on today was setting up the swivel button to control the LED. Now right now it's set to the lowest setting, but as I start turning the swivel button, has an official name, kind of complicated, I'm not going to use it now. As I start swiveling the button, kind of like we have our dimmers, instead of dimming it, it's actually going to start increasing the pulsation of the LED until it reaches a steady point. It's going to actually just turn on. So let's do this so you can see. So I'm slowly turning it. See, and now it's starting to pulse faster and faster until we get a nice steady light. And see, it's been turned completely all the way. So now we're going to turn it around. You'll start seeing that it's flashing, slowing down a little bit more, a little more, slow and steady until we get like about 1 pulse per second. How I set this up, since I'm doing the video, I can easily show you. So what you want to do, based on these tutorials, is you're going to actually set up your LED with a resistor, a resistor of 560 ohms. So that would actually be, oh, this light is actually flashing really bright. But this, it would actually be your green, blue, and yellow striped resistor. Okay, and then for your swivel light, I'm actually gonna remove the light so we can actually view this a little better. So with the swivel light, we're actually going to set it up. This is pin side over here. Those are the pins. Now with the set from 6, 7, and 8, your swivel connector is actually at 0.7. Okay, so pull this out. See, we have our 3 pins. Put this back. 6, 7, and 8. 7 being in the middle. Now you have your first pin, pin 6, grounded. You have your power pin set up over on the breadboard over here. Now you have this blue one, which is connected to pin 7, connected over onto your Arduino at port 0 on the analog side, not digital side, analog. I learned that the hard way. Ended up realizing it wasn't working because I had it set up over here. You'll run into errors of some kind saying that the program is having trouble uploading. That's because these 2 pins, as I discovered, are actually in communication with your port, your USB port. So if you connect on digital 0 or digital 1, it'll actually interfere with this communication, and the Arduino will actually have problems programming. The programmer will fail, and in that failure, it's actually going to throw an error, and you won't be able to upload your program. Okay. Now, remembering our LED, we have alongside a long pin and a short pin. Long pin, positive, okay? And with that, we're going to go in here into our setup. Now our long pin is going to be connected to pin 19, and the shorter one will be connected to pin 20. Your resistors connected to pin 20 on the ground of the LED, and then your read and write pin will be on the positive, and it will connect over here onto digital port 13. Now, for your tutorial to program this, you can find it on the Arduino website, and I'll have that posted down in the comments. But thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.